In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a payout from Wix. Setting up your payment methods on Wix is crucial for ensuring your business runs smoothly and you get paid on time. So let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and head over to Wix's homepage. Log into your dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your Wix site, where you can access tools, tracked analytics, and of course, your financial settings. Now, look over to the sidebar on your left where you'll see an option labeled Getting Paid. Click on this. It's your gateway to managing your payment options. On the Getting Paid page, you'll see an overview of your payment status and any financial actions you might need to take. If you haven't already connected a payment method, now is the time to do it. Click on Connect Payment Method. Adding your payment method is essential because without it, your sales funds can't be transferred to you. Once you've clicked that, you'll notice an option prompting you to choose a business location. The location of your business is important as it can affect currency and transaction types, depending on regional availability. So go ahead and select Choose a Business Location. This will open up a list of locales. Navigate through this list until you find your country or region, then click on Choose. Choosing the right location will ensure you see only the relevant payment options available to you. After selecting your business location, click again on the Connect Payment Method option. This step might feel repetitive, but it's important to confirm that your choices are linked accurately to your business setup. Now, the final step, click on the See More Payment Options link. This will introduce you to a broader array of payment methods that you can choose from. Depending on your business needs, you might prefer direct bank transfers, credit and debit card options, or even digital wallets. Take a moment to explore these options. Each payment method might require different verification steps, so be ready to provide any necessary documents or information to complete the process. And that's it. Once everything is set up and verified, you'll be able to receive payments directly from your sales through Wix's platform, ensuring your transactions are smooth and efficient. If you have any questions or if something seems unclear during the process, Wix's support is just a click away, ready to assist with additional guidance tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business endeavors on Wix.